Hi, good morning. I just wanted to share this little incident with you. So, a friend of mine working in the M&A department in a corporate, mergers and acquisitions, he called me up a couple of days back, and he wanted to study further. He was thinking about CFA, so he was asking me about the details and all. So, I was just the moment I hung up, I actually got back because to finding out the details and registering for my exams. I was thinking about a couple of exams, and I have been delaying it unfortunately. But I'll not talk about the exam right now. Let me clear it, then I'll talk about it. So basically, it got me immediately back on track that I was supposed to register for the exam and I've been delaying this. So I immediately got to doing that. So I was just thinking about it and I was just reconnecting with an incident. So during school, what used to happen in class 9, 10, 11, 12, me and a friend of mine we used to study together. We did not have WhatsApp and all. So we used to be on the landline. We used to call up on the landline during those exam breaks and all. That, tera kitna chapters hua? How many have you completed? And he used to say, I've completed like 12 chapters. And I'm like, okay, I'm just done with 9 chapters. And I used to immediately get back studying that, I'm lagging behind. So there's a kind of healthy competition we used to have. You got 10 out 9 out of 10. I got 8 out of 10 in those class tests and all. So that used to be very nice healthy competition where we used to be playing catch up or something. I don't know what you call it. But when I see things now, so what people are competing on is, I holidayed in this exotic location and you holidayed there, and I bought this car and you bought that car, and I'm wearing this brand clothes and I'm carrying this brand purse, and I can have eight vodka shots and you can have only seven, and God knows what people are competing on these days. So be very very wise in terms of what you're competing, and where you want to stand out or where you want to move ahead. It's all healthy competition, of course. There's a friend of mine, he completed I was talking to him at the end of year 2019, and he was mentioning that he was able to complete only 39 books and not 40 because some family emergency turned up at the end. So I was like, am I reading enough? So that's what got me thinking. In fact, this friend of mine who's working in the M&A, he got his article published and research published by Asian Development Bank, if I'm not wrong. So with his job, he's getting things. He's working on different areas. He's doing research. He's getting published, and also that got me thinking that there's so much more that we need to do. So these are the kind of people you would want to surround with yourself with, and even otherwise you would want to compete on these aspects rather than on immaterial material things. And I don't know, I mean, it's your call, because the social media is again, um, I don't know what to say, but choose very wisely. Choose very wisely, and think of where you want to stand out, where you want to compete, and where you want to stand out, and what you want to work for. So that's something that you'll need to decide, and you need to take a call.